After Billy and Mike, there's one more. Or, yeah, one more. Shoot me. I have no idea who I'm working with.
Are you recording?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Everybody walked through the other one, so don't worry about it. So how long are you guys on vacation down here?
We'll be here till Wednesday.
That's cool. How long you guys been here?
We got here Tuesday night.
So that's not bad. Got a full week. That's cool. And you guys came at the perfect time. It's just heating up.
Yeah, now we live more in the country, and so we
More in the country.
more in the country. Yeah, we live in a town of 800, so
Wow. That's it? Small town.
That's why I see everybody's like, there's not a lot here. I'm like, there's a lot more than we have.
This is what you call a small town in Arizona, so.
So you need to come up sometime and visit the old stomping grounds at Coop Stadium. And then let me know when you're coming off.
Believe me,
racquetball.
Believe me, though, that was back before they had that stride spin, the gloves, and when I was playing, man. If you had to gut it out, dog. You had to gut it out back in that day, though, dog. No gloves, no stride spin.
Did they have a sticky stuff?
They didn't have none of that, man. Once you got wet.
What him talking about being old.
James, he played, he had, how many touchdowns did he have? Like 20 touchdowns this year or something?
I love the most of these things.
So what position you play, Ty? Man, you a big dude, you playing.
He was like a big